Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a T6715 or T6716 maintenance box. Now, we're going to be doing this on a WorkForce Pro WF-4725, but the process remains the same for most of the machines that this part is compatible with. Now, as you can see on screen, we have a little message there saying the maintenance box is at the end of its service life, you need to replace it. This process can be done following prompts on screen. You get little how-tos, things like that here, if you wish to go down that route. Or you can just spin the printer around and switch it around at the back with the machine off, which is what I'm going to do now. Now, the first thing we need to do is identify the hatch that covers the maintenance box and where it sits within the printer. So, here is the one on mine, and you're looking for this symbol, like a little ink drop falling into a tray. So that's the one for this printer, so take that off. And then you can see the maintenance box itself just sat here. It's quite a hefty bit there, you just pull it, and it should click as it releases. There we go. Now be careful to keep this level. I recommend taking this off to one side, putting it in a plastic bag or a secure box just to save ink leaking, because the unit itself is mostly sponge that's just absorbed ink from cleans within your printer. So if that's overflowed at all, you can have some pretty nasty overspill. Now you can replace it either with an Epson original, or I've got one of the compatible ones we sell on our store here. Either is good, and the process itself is identical. So slide them back in where the other one went. Now there's not like a huge click or anything that you can feel or hear really. You just got to slide them in. Just make sure it's all the way back. So you get like a slight little click, but nothing too obvious. With that done, we just slide the panel back in. Making sure it's clicked all the way up. With that done, we can turn the printer back on. Now with the printer back on, you should be presented with a screen like this, and you can carry on using your printer as normal. If you're replacing the maintenance box with the printer on and following those prompts I showed you earlier, I find you will occasionally get a message saying that the box itself isn't installed correctly or can't be recognised, something along those lines. But the reason I always do this with the printer off is because it seems to negate that, and it's a lot less fuss. If, however, you are getting a message saying it can't be recognised, you can always try a couple of firm reinstalls, just making sure it's pressed that all the way in and that the door on the outside is firmly clicked shut too. That's about all there is to see. I hope you found this useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, we'd appreciate a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.